Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel IS Gateways. Many of the students are aware that Telangana State Public Service Commission has notified vacancies in different categories for the post of assistant engineer, municipal assistant engineer, technical officer and junior technical officer in various engineering services. It is informed that on 12th of September, TSPSC has notified the minimum eligibility requirement for different posts along with the number of vacancies. So I will be discussing in brief and will share this PDF in the description box so that you can check it one by one. So first of the important point is that the detailed notification with breakup of vacancies will be notified on 23rd of September, which is basically the detailed notification date, and from 28th of September you will be able to apply online and fill the application form from the commission website, and the commission website is here given as www.tspsc.gov.in. so first post is assistant engineer civil in Panchayati Raj and Rural Development Mission Bhagiratha, in which commission has notified 62 vacancies and minimum requirement is diploma in civil engineering. It means students having BE or BTech in civil engineering can apply for this post. And one of the important thing is that wherever outside Telangana candidates are not applicable, they have clearly mentioned against that particular post. So assistant engineer in Panchayat Raj and Rural Development, they have notified 41 posts and they have required minimum diploma in civil engineering is the required qualification. It means Telangana state, outside Telangana state candidates can apply for these two category posts. The third one is assistant engineer is municipal administration and urban development public health, in which minimum qualification is diploma in civil engineering, but qualification is required from Telangana State Board or technical education. So outside state candidates are not eligible for this post. Also similarly for municipal assistant civil, they have notified 29 posts, and outside Telangana state candidates are not applicable for this post. Technical officer in municipal administration and urban health, they have notified 9 posts and outside candidates are not eligible. Assistant engineer in tribal welfare development, they have asked for minimum must possess graduation. It means only we have to be BE or BTech from the recognized University of India. It means outside candidates of Telangana state can also apply for this post. Okay. Assistant engineer in irrigation and command area development, 227 maximum posts are in this category. Assistant engineer in irrigation and command area development, in which for civil, mechanical, electrical, it means 3 branches posts are there in this category. In above 6 categories, only vacancies in civil engineering department was there, but in 7th category, vacancies in mechanical and electrical branches are also there. So assistant engineers mechanical, assistant engineer electrical, who are preparing for those that post, they can also apply. For civil engineering students, minimum requirement is diploma in civil engineering. Okay. Here they have notified that diploma should be from the state of Telangana only, and if the bachelor degree, it should be from the university in India established or incorporated under Central Act. It means for this post, if B candidate is applying for this post, he can be outside from Telangana state, but if any diploma candidate is applying, then he cannot apply for this state who are from outside Telangana. So you should be very careful while filling the forms. Assistant engineer civil in groundwater in department, diploma in civil engineering is required. Assistant engineer in transport, roads and building department, 38 vacancies are there, in which they have required that minimum education is diploma in civil engineering from the state board only. Means outside candidates from Telangana cannot apply. Total vacancies are 434. It means vacancies in assistant engineer is including civil, mechanical and electrical vacancies. फिर another category is junior technical officer, in which the vacancies are existing in Panchayati Raj and Rural Development Mission Bhagiratha, in which they have notified 27 vacancies, and the minimum required qualification is a diploma in engineering from state Telangana state and bachelor degree from outside, from anywhere from Telangana. So minimum age requirement is 18 to 44 years, and maximum age is 44, subject to some relaxation for different categories. And pay scale is 32,810 to 96,890. Junior technical officer in Panchayat Raj and Rural Development, 68 vacancies are there. Junior technical officer in Municipal Administration and Urban Development Public Health, 32 vacancies are there. You can go through these qualifications. Junior technical officers, junior technical officer in irrigation and command area, similarly here civil and mechanical vacancies are there, in which they have notified maximum 212 posts. For in transport and roads and building departments, 60 posts are there. It means 399 posts are against the junior technical officer, and 434 posts are regarding with reference to this assistant engineer requirement. So this is the basic requirement. Detailed notification will be issued on 23rd of September, and they have indicated that these vacancies are tentative and they can be reduced or increased depending upon the actual requirement. Okay, and the important points are there, and that they have indicated that students should read commission's notification while filling the form through online mode, and they have to submit the application timely before the last date of exam. Online filling of form is here mentioned as 21st of October. It means you have approximately 1 month time for filling the application, and candidates to note that they must possess requisite qualification and other eligibility criteria as on date of notification. The date of notification is of 12th of September. So I hope this video will help you in while filling your application form, and subsequently if any doubt is there, you can comment in the description box. I will try to reply. So thank you and all the best.